Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check balance of Amazon gift card without redeeming it. All right. Just go ahead and open up your Amazon app or the website itself right here. All right. Then you're going to want to go to the three horizontal lines, tap, and in here, go to payment charges or gift cards. Just go ahead and select problem with a gift card. All right. Let's say, for example, you wanted to select random topics right here just for the bot to lead us to the actual customer service. All right. For example, this one, claim code unreadable. I need more help. And as you can see here, it will ask us to start chatting or request call now. If I were you, I would request call now because it is way faster than a chatting. All right. So for example, we wanted to request a call, tap on it. As you can see here, it will require us to add our phone number. As you can see here, a customer service associate will now call you. Again, will now call you. Just go ahead and enter your number and hit on call me now and wait a bit for customer service to reach you out. Then just go ahead and ask to open up your Amazon gift card account and ask them to check your Amazon gift card balance. And that's basically how to do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.